Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making fenugreek leaf omelette. This is a very healthy version of omelette. So for this we need egg, garlic, fenugreek leaf, chopped onion, coriander leaf, cheese, garam masala, turmeric, coriander seed powder and salt to taste. So in a frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, take egg, add half a teaspoon of garam masala, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of chopped onion and green chili to taste. Now in a frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, add 2 teaspoon of chopped onion and now beat the egg. Beat it properly to make a fluffy omelette. Now add half of the fenugreek leaf in egg mixture and rest in the frying pan. Beat it again. Add grated cheese, approximately 2 spoon in egg mixture and 2 spoon in frying pan. Add pinch of turmeric, pinch of coriander seed powder and pinch of garam masala. Mix it well. Now spread it onto the pan and add the egg mixture. Spread it with a spoon and cover it and leave it for half a minute. And your fenugreek leaf omelette is ready to eat. Thank you.